Today's video lesson will be a brief introduction to polymers and the difference between natural and synthetic polymers and how polymers are made in the first place. So polymers are large molecules made of small repeating subunits, and these subunits are called monomers. Monomers are linked together in polymerization reactions, and there's a couple of different types of reactions. Polymers are widespread and they can be both natural and synthetic. Many of the foods that we eat are polymers, and many of the materials that we use are actually polymers as well. So some examples of natural polymers would be rubber, starch, and proteins. Synthetic polymers could be Kevlar, nylon, and polyester. So addition polymers are a result from addition reactions of monomers with carbon-carbon double bonds. So some examples would be polyethylene, sometimes called polyethylene, polystyrene, polypropene. And if you take a look here, this is the example of polyethylene. So we have a whole bunch of ethene molecules combining together, and we would have an unlimited length molecule. So we put a little n there. So the monomer now looks like this, and then with an n to indicate the number of carbons or subunits there would be. So it could be 100 or 25 or 500. N is a placeholder. The other types of reactions that happen are condensation polymers, and they're formed when condensation reactions occur between monomers. And condensation reactions mean that there's a hydrogen lost off one and a hydroxyl off the other, and you end up with a removal of water. So you see condensation forming. They're also sometimes called dehydration synthesis reactions because you're dehydrating, you're taking water away to synthesize the addition together. So some examples of condensation polymers are polyester, proteins, carbohydrates, and Kevlar.